There's a couple of stocks that we've been working on very actively in the last couple of weeks. One of these stocks we've already got a good position in, but there's been a lot of corporate activity going on. That's Oil Search. So Tim Reardon, who's our analyst in that sector, in the oil and gas sector, has been bringing, at our investment meetings, bringing some very interesting thesis pieces to us on where he sees the business going from here. The fact that the pipelines are in place, that they're starting to show some very good earnings numbers, but specifically when you look at year one from here and then year two out from here, there's some spectacular growth numbers involved in that stock. And so what we've been doing is reducing our Woodside cover and putting that money to work in Oil Search. But that's been over the last 6 months to a year. Oh, look, it's almost like Woodside was, 15, 20 years ago. So we see huge growth in the long run. Now, it'll come in fits and starts because there'll be overruns on project. How many trains of LNG do they go to? These are unknown questions that can't really be fully answered in the long run. But in the medium term, we think there's some really significant growth. And it's being backed up by the sort of quasi-future fund that you saw, and actually with Goldman Sachs doing the deal that is backing them up and putting the money in place to be able to do that. So we think there's some huge long-term 10, 15, 20-year growth prospects in that company.